Fellow Biafrans and lovers of freedom, my greetings to each and every one of you, and I greet you according to your time zone. This trending video, as you can see, why Nigerians and the obedient movement are clamoring for the stolen mandate as they claimed. Something is happening in the southeast. Something greater than the obedient movement is happening in Biafra land. Why Mr. Peter Obi goes to court to reclaim his stolen mandate as he claimed. While there are pockets of demonstration, protest here and there by the obedient movement. While the Labour Party continue to lament. Something greater than all of this is happening in the southeast, and it is a silent reawakening of the Biafran people to demand for a separate Biafran nation. As you can see in this video, the Biafran people are standing tall, demanding for the Republic of Biafra, a sovereign state of Biafra that has nothing to do with Nigeria. While Obi wants to become the president of Nigeria, being a Biafran, majority of Biafrans are not in support of his ambition, as has been demonstrated during the February 25th, 2023 general elections, which Biafrans refused to vote. At least we had it on record that 25 million Biafrans, or people of the Southeast, registered to vote in this election, but because of Simone Ekpa's broadcast that Biafran should not be a party to this illegality of validating Nigeria, only 4 Biafrans came out to vote. What happened to the remaining 19 million Biafrans? They refused to vote. And these 4 million Biafrans are those Biafrans that have businesses in the north and in Lagos. Those Biafrans that have built hotels in the north that don't want anything to happen. Those Biafrans that have their brothers, their relatives in the seat of power in different parts of Nigeria. Those Biafrans who are eating from the corrupt enrichment of the few who are holding us ransom. Those Biafrans who are ready to sell their right for a pot of porridge. These are the 4 million Biafrans that voted, but the remaining 19 million Biafrans refused to cast their vote. And today, you can see what is happening. Those 90 million Biafrans have stood up to make a demand, and their demand is very simple. Let Biafra go. Why the 4 million that voted continue to support other Nigerians who claim that Obi won the election, are protesting and requesting for their mandate via the court. Majority of Biafrans are not interested in the politics of Nigeria. Majority of Biafrans are no more interested in whatever happens in the Nigerian government. So as you can rightly point out in this video, these people you see are members of the indigenous people of Biafra, Ipob, the brave warriors of our land, who have decreed and declared that there will be no retreat and no surrender. It is Biafra or death. These are the people we call the hardcore Biafrans. They are not afraid of intimidation. They are not afraid of the enemy. They are bold, they are courageous, and they are fearless. that walking the major streets demanding for the total restoration of the Biafran state. Why our leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is still under the dungeon of the DSS, the Nigerian government. The courts have kept quiet after the first appeal court ruling that the church now acquit him. He was still being punished by the Fulani-led federal government. And the Supreme Courts have kept quiet over the months. Nobody is saying anything. Why an innocent man is being forced to be under punishment, under bondage. And the world is complaining. United Nations instructions have been neglected. Let Biafra go, you said no. Then let a Biafran be the president of the Zoological Republic. You also say no. Even after the overwhelming support for women vote that he received throughout the Nigerian state, you are still saying no. What is left for the people of Biafra to do is for them to take the law into their own hands by declaring the state of Biafra, and nothing, I repeat, nothing will happen. Now let me allow you to watch the rest of this peaceful protest led by the indigenous people of Biafra Ipob. God bless you.